Hey guys, Patrick Donovan of eXp Realty, part of the Jots Group here at 138 Grays Creek in Savannah, Georgia. Oh my God, what a great home. As you can see, we got the dock right there. It's deep water at all tides. We're at the Long Point community in Savannah. This is like on your way to Tybee Island. Love it. But you got the boat right there, floating dock, but also the Long Point community is gated, which is fantastic. We're gonna be going to this home. This is a 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath home with 3,442 square feet, offered at $1.65 million. Let's check out this gorgeous home. Welcome home, right? You just got off the boat, went fishing all day. You want to go take a shower. You enter into your living room like this, and look at this. I love the tray ceilings going on in here. You got the lights inside. Of course, we can't see it right now. We can't find the remote. It's just what it is. But you know what? If the lights aren't working, a great thing you got. Fireplace right there gets you lit up really good. But I love the built-ins they got in here. I mean, you could make this a bar. You can make it a library. You can make anything you want. It leads right into the dining room area, which is very, very spacious, and into a gourmet kitchen, which will meet you, where I will meet you. Now the gourmet kitchen, we've got quartz countertops. I love this bar. Stainless steel appliances, as you can see, gas stove. Love this, the stainless steel range hood. They got a wine cooler right here, which I don't want you to miss. And then you got your oven, microwave right there, and your warming tray. But I love the backsplash they got. And by the way, just want to show you this. Soft close. Beautiful. Then it goes out to, as you saw where we were just at, out of the dock, you get this great view of Grays Creek. You know what I'm saying? Which will take you out to the ocean so you can get out to Tybee or wherever you want to go. But what a great space. I want to meet you in the other 2 bedrooms. Now we're in the other side of the house. We haven't been to the primary bedroom yet, which we're going to next. But I didn't want to miss these 2 bedrooms. Since we're already on this side doing the kitchen, we might as well check this side out, which is really convenient to the kitchen. I love that, but you got 2 bedrooms here, basically identical in size. You can fit a king size bed in if you want to, no problem. And then you get yourself a full size bath going in here to serve this side and any guests that you have. I'm going to meet you in the primary bedroom next. Wow, right? Wow, look at this view. You wake up in the morning, you're looking at the Grays Creek, and you can actually see what traffic is doing on its way to Tybee. You're like, is it gonna be a good Tybee day? Let's get on the boat and meet them out there. You don't even have to go driving around there. You got your own boat access, fantastic, but look at the size of this room. They could have filled it up with a lot more stuff if you ask me. This thing is just dwarfed inside this bedroom the bed is, and then you can go right out here on the deck. You can drink some coffee out here. I would probably put like a coffee station right there. Wake up, hit the button, go out there, look at the creeks, fantastic. And then we're gonna go into this primary bathroom, which is spectacular. I'll see you in there. Now we're in the primary bathroom. You see tiled, dual vanity right there. You got quartz countertop here again, of course, and then this great tub right here with a little waterfall action going on right there. Large size shower, tiled all the way around. I love that. Now I want to meet you over at the other part of the area where we got another room, another bathroom, and access to the garage. So I'll meet you there. All right, now let's show you to the side of the area. And I don't want you to miss, if you look up, there's crown molding throughout the house all over the place. It's fantastic. But then in here, you got a laundry room with a full sink. It's got the quartz countertops right here. Then you got entrance into the 2-car garage plus golf cart garage. So 3, whatever you would call it. And then you got a full bathroom here with a whole room upstairs. And then there's a door to close it all off. I mean, if you wanted to rent this part out, you definitely could for anybody you wanted to. So why don't you go check that out? Come on out, let's see the front of this home, right? I got it. I got that. Well, like I said, I like the side entry garage action right here. You got your stucco right here, but it's great community. So yeah, love this home. That was 138 Grays Creek Drive in Savannah, Georgia. If you have a question about this home or any home in Savannah, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye. Okay.